Is it better to get annuity through SWP or through a pension plan? Which will be a better choice? Our chief financial planner, Mr. Ramalingam, will guide us through. Ramalingam, the screen is yours.
There are many pension plans which is available in the market from insurance companies. These pension plans are you have to pay a lump sum money or you pay regular money as premium for 15 20 years. Then it becomes retirement corpus. From the retirement corpus, they will be giving you regular fixed pension. Now, this regular fixed pension, will it help you beat inflation? No. In case of an emergency, will you be able to withdraw from the corpus? Not possible, right? So that way, when you create your own corpus, from there, when you start to do an SWP, that can help you beat inflation. You can increase the withdrawal rate every year to cope up with the inflation. It is possible. Second, in case of an extreme emergency, you want to withdraw a portion of your corpus, you can do it. So instead of locking your funds with the annuity schemes, going with the SWP will be a best option. So pension schemes, annuity schemes will not help you. Will not help you beat inflation. It may give you some fixed return in the beginning. It will give you kind of an assurance in the beginning, but after 6 years, 7 years, slowly you will feel the pain of inflation. You who are getting 50,000 rupees monthly income, you felt comfortable for 6 years. Slowly your expense escalated to 70,000. Your pension will become less for you. And next 6 years, your expense requirement is 1 lakh, what you are getting is 50,000. Slowly, after 10 years, 15 years, you will feel that your pension scheme is nothing. It is not at all supporting. That is why SWP is the right way to do it. So, approach a financial planner to project your retirement income from the date of retirement to your life expectancy. You have to project your income for 20, 30 years. You have to project in an inflation adjusted way. End of the calculation, the corpus should outlive you, not the other way around. That way, a financial planner will be able to guide you through SWP how to meet your retirement goal.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.